Alright, Mr. Bennett, we're going to do the final, which is the upper extremities. Here's my list of upper extremity bones, my paper. As you see here, no definitions. We're going to point them out, and we're going to start with the humerus. The humerus bone is the upper arm shoulder bone, which, as you can see, is this area right here. Next, we're going to do the radius bone, which is one of the two large bones on the forearm, but it's the outside bone, which is right here. After that, we have the ulna, which is another one of the two large forearm bones, which is the inside bone. After that, we have the scaphoid, which is one of the carpal bones on the wrist. It's hard to see, but it's one of the inside bones on the wrist. After that, we have the lunate bone, which is another wrist bone, which is more on the outside of the wrist. After that, we have the trachea-trunk, which is another wrist bone, one of the carpal wrist bones, but this one's more on the outside. After that, we have the pisiform, which is another wrist bone, one of the carpal wrist bones, which is more on the inside of the wrist. After that, we have the hamate, which is another one of the wrist bone, one of the carpal wrist bones, which is also inside the wrist. After that, we have the capitate, which is another one of the carpal wrist bones, which is another one of the outside wrist bones. And after that, last but not least, we have the trapezoid, which is also one of the carpal wrist bones, which is one of the wrist bones inside, more to the inside. And that is my upper extremity skeleton bone.